Hi children, how are you all? Hope you are all fine and safe. Okay, today we will learn the counting 1 to 100 by tens. At the same time, we will learn the number names and place values. Okay, Tangangla? Okay, children. Now, how can we count quickly 1 to 100 in an easy way? ன்னு பார்க்கலாம். Let's learn to count with the help of sticks. Sticks use பண்ணி எப்படி count ஈஸியா count பண்ணலாம்? Let's we see. Okay, தங்கங்களா? First we collect single 10 sticks and make a bundle. Okay, first மேல பிக்சர்ல பாருங்க how many single sticks இருக்கு? அது எல்லாத்தையும் கலெக்ட் பண்ணி ஒரு ரோப்பால டைப் பண்ணா நமக்கு பண்டில் கிடைக்கும். அதுக்கு முதல்ல we will count now. Okay? Come on, join with me. How many single sticks? Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many sticks, Tangangla? 10 sticks. That means 10 ones. 10 ones makes 110. Okay, Tangangla? 10 ones makes 110. Okay? Once again, this is a group of 10 sticks. This is a group of 10 sticks. 10 ones makes 110. Okay, children? Now we got a bundle of 110. Okay, children? Now we see the place values of 10. How many ones in a 10? 0 ones. How many tens, Tangangla? 1 tens. Okay, children? Now tell me, how many group of tens we have? Only one group of 10 we have. Okay. Now, side by side, we learn the number names. What is the spelling for 10? T-E-N. 10. Okay, children? What is the spelling for 10? T-E-N. 10. Is it clear, children? Very good, children. Okay, children. We will see how many bundle of sticks makes 20 in Paklama. Let's see the picture. Go through the picture. How many bundle of sticks are there? First one, 110, 210. Then 2 tens makes 20. Do you understand, children? 2 tens makes 20. Okay, children? Now we see the place value. Place value of 20 and Paklama. How many ones in 20? 0 ones. And how many tens? 2 tens. Now you understand 2 tens makes 20. Okay, children? Now we go through the number names. Go through the word TWENTY. 20. Is it clear, children? TWENTY. 20. Very good, children. Now you go through the next picture. How many bundles are there? எத்தனை bundles தங்கங்களா இருக்கு? Go through the bundles. எவ்வளவு bundles இருக்கு? Shall we count? How many tens? One bundle. 110, 210, 3 tens. Okay, 3 tens. 3 tens makes 30. 3 tens makes 30. Okay, now we see the place values. How many tens and ones for 13 Paklama? How many ones in a 30? 0 ones. Very good. How many tens? 3 tens. Okay, children. Now we know the number name. What is the spelling for 30? Go through the slide. Yes, THIRTY. 30. Are you able to read, children? THIRTY. 30. Very good, children. Come on, children. Let's count. How many tens are in 14 Paklama? How many bundles of sticks? Go through the picture. Come on. 110, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. How many tens in a 40? 4 tens. 4 tens makes 40. Once again, come on. How many tens? 4 tens in a 40. Okay, children. Now we see the place value. How many ones in 40? 0 ones and 4 tens. Very good, children. How many tens? 4 tens. 4 tens makes 40. Is it clear, children? Now we learn the number names. Okay, Tangangla? Come on. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. Come on. Come on. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. Do you understand, children? 40. What's the spelling for 40? F-O-R-T-Y. 40. Superb, children. Okay, children. Now we count the 50. Huh? How many bundle of sticks makes 15 Paklama? Come on. Go through the picture. How many bundles are there? Let's count. 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. How many bundles? 5 10 bundles. So 5 tens makes 50. Once again, how many bundle of sticks makes 50? 5 tens of bundle makes 50. Now we see the place value of 50. How many zeros in 50? How many ones in 50? Sorry, how many ones in 50? Come on. Yes, 0 ones. How many tens now? 5 tens in a 50. So 5 tens makes 50. Okay, Tangangla. Now we learn the number name. F-I-F-T-Y. 50. Is it clear, children? Very good, children. Now we learn how many tens in 16 பார்க்கலாமா தங்கம் எப்படி ஈஸியா கவுண்ட் பண்ணலாம் go through the bundles how many bundles are there பாருங்க one bundle one tens two tens three tens four tens five tens 6 tens. How many bundle of sticks, Tangangla? 6 bundle of tens. So, 6 bundle of tens makes 60. Is it clear, children? How many tens in 60? 6 tens makes 60. Very good, children. Now we see the place value of 60. See? How many ones in 60? 0 ones. How many tens in 60? 6. How many tens, Kanangla? 6 tens. Very good, children. Now we learn the number names. What is the spelling for 60? Yes. I-X-T-Y. 60. S-I-X-T-Y. 60. Is it clear, children? Very good, children. Now, how can we count 70 very quickly? எப்படி ஈஸியா குவிக்கா 70 கவுண்ட் பண்ண முடியும் go through the picture how many bundles are there பாருங்க பாருங்க come on let's join with me come on count start count one bundle of 10 two bundle of tens three bundle of tens four bundle of tens five bundle of tens six bundle of tens 7 bundle of tens. How many bundle of tens, Tangangla? 7 tens. Evlo tens irukada, Tangangla? 7 tens. So, 7 tens makes 70. Is it clear, children? How many tens in 70? 7 tens in 70. Okay, now we go through the place values. How many ones in 70? 0 ones. How many tens in 70? 7 tens. Very good, children. Okay, now we learn the number name for 70. Go through the spelling. Yes, E-V-E-N-T-Y. 70. Once again, yes, E-V-E-N-T-Y. 70. Superb, Tangangla. Okay, children. Now, how can we count 80 very quickly? Come on, go through the pictures, see the bundles. How many bundles of 10? Shall we count? 1 10, 2 10, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens. How many tens makes 80 da tangangla? 8 tens. How many bundle of tens makes 80? 8 bundle of tens makes 80. 8 tens makes 80. Very good, children. Now we learn the place value of 80. Go through 80. What is the which is the ones place? 0 in ones place and 8 in tens place. How many tens? 8 tens. 8 tens makes 80. Do you understand, children? Now we learn the number names. Okay, Tangangla? We will go through the number names now. EIGHTY 80. Come on, once again try. EIGHTY 80. உங்களுக்கு முன்னாடியே தெரியும் 8 ஓட ஸ்பெல்லிங் என்னடா தங்கங்களா EIGHT 8 then you put y near to t na then it automatically 80 very easy okay தங்கங்களா Okay, Tangangla, how can we count 90 quickly? Very quickly. Come on, go through the picture. How many bundle of sticks are there? Shall we count now? Okay, come on. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens. How many tens da Tangangla? 9 tens of 9 bundle of tens. Okay, Tangangla? So 9 bundle of tens makes 90. Once again, how many bundle of tens makes 90? 9 tens makes 90. Okay. Now we go through the place value. How many ones in 90? 0. How many tens in 90? 9 tens. How many tens da Tangangla? 9 tens. 9 tens makes 90. Is it clear, children? Now we learn the number name. Come on. What is the spelling for 90? NINETY. 90. Is it clear, children? You know the spelling of 9. உங்களுக்கு 9 ஓட spelling நல்லா தெரியும் இல்லையா தங்கம்? What is the spelling for 9? NINE. 9 நல்லா தெரியும். Then you add TY. Then it comes 90. Very easy. Do you understand, children? 9 கூட TY சேர்த்துனீங்கன்னா 90. That's all. Okay, children. Now, how can we count 100 very quickly? Paklama, go through the bundle of tens. Evlo bundle of tens irukun paklama. Come on, count. Join with me. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, 10 tens. How many tens da Tangangla? There are 10 tens makes 100. Okay, Tangangla? 10 tens makes 100. How many group of tens makes 100 ra Tangangla? 10 group of 10 makes 100. Do you understand, children? எத்தனை tens சேர்ந்ததுன்னா 100 கிடைக்கும்னா 10 group of tens 10 group of 10 அப்ப 10 group of 10 makes 100. Is it clear, children? Okay, now we go through the place values. How many ones, how many tens and how many hundreds in 100 in Paklama? See, how many ones? 0 ones. How many tens? 0 tens. How many hundreds? 100. Come on, see. 100, 100. Here we add hundreds place. Tensல ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல. பாத்தீங்களா தங்கங்களா? Now hundredsல 1 add ஆயிருக்கு. Then 100 makes 100. Okay தங்கங்களா? Okay, now we learn the number name of 100. Come on, how can we write the number name for 100? HUNDRED, 100. Try children once again. HUNDRED, 100. Is it clear children? Very good children. You observe it very nicely. Superb. Okay children, now we see the short recap of number names. Okay தங்கங்களா? 10 to 100 number namesல எப்படி ஈஸியா குவிக்கா பார்க்கலாம்னு பார்க்கலாமா? Come on. What is the number? See 10. What is the number டா தங்கம்? 10 போட்டிருக்கேன் மேம். அது எப்படி நம்ம நம்பர்ல எழுதுவோம்? What is the spelling for number name? TEN, 10. Go through the spelling. What is the spelling for 10? TEN, 10. Okay, what's the next number? 20. We count by tens தான தங்கங்களா? So 20. 20 க்கு என்ன ஸ்பெல்லிங் னு பார்க்கலாமா? TWENTY, 20. Once again you will try TWENTY, 20. 20 after by tens counting la 30. Okay children? 30 la what is the spelling for 30? THIRTY, 30. What is the spelling for 30? THIRTY, 30. Is it clear children? Now we move on to 40. 40, 40. Okay tangangla? Now we see the spelling of 40. Okay. FORTY, 40. FORTY, 40. Don't put U. U போட வேண்டாம் தங்கங்களா. FOUR 4 னு படிப்போம் இல்லையா? But modern இதுல வந்து என்ன சொல்றாங்க 40 க்கு spelling? FORTY. Okay தங்கங்களா? Next, what's the next 10 counting? 50. Okay, what is the spelling for 50? FIFTY, 50. Okay தங்கங்களா? What is the spelling for 50? FIFTY, 50. Is it clear children? Now, what's the next tens? 60. 60 க்கு என்னமா spelling? SIXTY, 60. You know the spelling of 6. இல்லையா தங்கங்களா? 6 க்கு என்ன spelling? SIX, 6. Then you add TY கூட join பண்ணும்போது ஈஸியா 60 வந்துடும். SIXTY, 60. Is it clear children? Now, what's the next tens? 70. Okay தங்கங்களா? 70 க்கு என்ன spelling? You already know the spelling of 7. So, SEVENTY, 70. 7 கூட TY add பண்ணும்போது 70. Okay தங்கங்களா? Now, what's the next tens? 80. Okay தங்கங்களா? What's the spelling for 80? 8 உங்களுக்கு already தெரியும்ல தங்கங்களா? EIGHTY, 80. What is the spelling for 8? EIGHT. You already know the spelling of 8. Then you join Y. Automatically it comes 80. Okay tangangla? What's the next tens? 90. Okay, what is the spelling for 90? NINETY, 90. You know the spelling of 9. Then you join TY கூட add பண்ணும்போது 90 ஆயிடும். Easy. NINETY, 90. Okay தங்கங்களா? 9 கூட TY சேர்த்தணும். அவ்வளவுதான். 90. Then 100. What's the spelling for 100? HUNDRED, 100. Hun. How can we split up? எப்படி பிரிச்சு படிக்கணும் தங்கங்களா? HUNDRED, 100. That's all. Please practice. Okay children? Very good children. Hope you all understand the quick counting by tens and the number names. Okay, children, thank you. Take care. Bye bye.